Welcome to a special edition of Torque Dad Cooks. We're here from the Bahamas in Green Turtle Cay. We've got the whole family here, and tonight is a very special dish. It's a cook or a catch, clean, and cook episode. I'm going to show you what we got yesterday afternoon and also this afternoon, and what we're going to turn it into. So a little different episode. I don't have my buddy Mikey here with me, and Chloe sitting over the couch waving is not into filming me. So I'm going to do it myself, which is fine, and run you through tonight's dish, which is poke bowls. Hey guys, this is Green Turtle Cay. This is where we're staying in the Bluff House residences. It's beautiful here, having a great time. Like I said, this is a catch, clean, and cook episode. So let's start with the catching and the cleaning, and then we'll get back to the cooking here in a few minutes. Give me the rundown of what we got out there. We got two lines, and
well, one of them I think is like a cobia jig.
Yeah.
And then the other one's that little blue and white or blue and Williamson thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's pretty much all they've been hitting.
And the rattle jet yesterday.
The rattle jet, but we lost the rattle jet. They're all about the same size. What would you say, like 14 inch?
These?
Yeah.
I don't know.
They're right back there.
Put them up against the cooler, they're just all too small.
18?
Yeah, a solid 16
Yeah.
to the fork.
Great little,
We're having a problem with too many now.
great little sandwich tunas, as we like to say.
Sandwich tuna.
I don't know, man. One sandwich with one tuna, I'd be full. I feel like you get two sandwiches out of one of those.
All right, here we go. Let's get this flip dialed.
Raise the lid so he puts it in.
Ready? Woo! Ready? Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh!
That was a little bigger. They're all the exact same, I promise. All right.
All right, somebody's got to reel in the next one.
Out there. You know, this one might actually be a little bigger. I don't think so.
At the end, a little better. This might be the last one of the day, gentlemen.
I'm thinking so.
This will be number 8
And a half.
and a half.
9 for 10. Unless I'm speaking too soon here.
They are still flashing out there.
They're everywhere.
I don't know if you can see the birds off in the distance, but they've just been circling for the last hour and a half, 2 hours that we've been here. All right, let's try to get this in the cooler.
Direct cooler flip to end the day.
Yeah. Here we go. He did not. Oh, that's a healthy one.
Oh yeah, right in the
That
cooler,
one is
baby.
healthy.
Yeah, boy.
Yep.
All right, let's start as we always do with ingredients. And actually, poke bowls are really simple to make, but you need the star of the show, which, as I said, is blackfin tuna. We're going to show some clips of how we caught this and how it was cleaned. Still got some trimming to do, take out some of the bloodline and stuff, but we're going to do a couple different things. We're going to do the poke bowls. We're also going to do some seared tuna with sesame seeds, and then I may even do some tuna tacos just for fun. Next star of the show is sushi rice. We got this Four Sisters brand, which was in our favorite little shopping center Publix grocery store. Doing rice a little different than what the recipe I showed you guys previously. This is They said soak it for like 20 minutes and then we'll just cook it straight off to try to get that sticky rice flair. From there, for veggies for the poke bowl, got green onion, got cucumber, the hot house kind, of course, carrots, some cilantro, some ginger, some jalapeno, got some avocado, well, got guacamole, but we're gonna use cut up avocado, some onions, celery, and then of course the sauce. The sauce is the boss, always. Of course, for the tuna, we're gonna do a little garlic, sriracha, and soy sauce mix. I didn't get any wasabi, so I'm gonna show you a poor man's wasabi sauce with horseradish and some mayo and maybe some garlic with that as well. We'll make that up as we go along. Lime juice. So all these things are really super easy to get. Very little preparation, just some cutting, some chopping, which I'm not going to bore you guys tonight with chopping skills. Let's get this prepped up and then we will start the rice here in a second. Like I said, this is different rice preparation than what I showed you guys before. This is what I would consider the classic way. Still same ratio, 1.5 cups of water to 1 cup of rice, and we're doubling the recipe because we got 8 hungry mouths to feed. All right, let me show you what I'm doing here. Basically just trimming this into cubes. This is for our poke bowls, and you can see that's part of the bloodline of the fish. Just carving that off, cutting it in about 1/2-inch cubes, and then we'll do the next step in a second. All right, here's the prep for the poke tuna. I've already put a little bit of our minced garlic, you know, my old trusted friend, some ginger, and do a little bit of sesame oil, just for flavor mainly, soy sauce, as usual, no measurements needed, and for a little heat, some sriracha. We're going to save the sriracha for later. We'll give that a stir up and let that sit until dinner time. All right, here's the prep for the seared. Just got some soy sauce, a little bit of oil, the sesame seeds. Just going to throw those on. That. A little bit more soy sauce on the top. And there we go. All right, I got my sous chef, Jackson.
Japanese restaurant here. That's so many different smells of this stuff. Right.
Working on searing.
Let's do 2 at a
He's
time.
a sear master, so we're saying we're experimenting here, but we're thinking like 30-45 seconds aside. We've got little extra sesame seeds on these. So these pieces are about 1 inch thick, so you really all you want to do is just get the outside nice and crispy. Rice is done. I'm working on the veggies. Make sure you have a lot of bowls if you're doing poke bowls. Just got to cut the carrots or the carrots and the onions up, and then make the sauce. Tuna's over here getting ready to go. We're getting close, folks. Gonna do some taco shells as well. Hudson's over here getting the table set up. All right, here we go. We are ready to go. We got our seared. We got our tuna poke A. We got our fixins. We got our sushi rice. Now it's time to sit down and eat. Okay, say hi, family.
Hi, family.
All right.
Hi, Mike.
We're gonna sit down. Hi, Jackson. We're gonna sit down and enjoy this wonderful poke bowl meal, and really thankful for this week. Thankful for our time in the Bahamas, and also This is a super simple meal. If you get an opportunity to get some fresh caught blackfin tuna, go for it, right?
Give it a shot.
Give it a shot.
Jump into your boat.
Yeah, well, there's that. So,
There is that.
signing off. See you next time.
Bye.
What?
Slam them on the ground and hit the come out.
Dude, that's incredible.
Is that salt at the bottom? What is that?
That's salt.
What?
A little bit salt.
A little bit of salt.
Oh, thank you, sir. Put it right in the mouth.
What you think?
Yeah.
Yeah,
They're doing it on tank.
Aw, thank you.
give it a shot, Mayor.
Hop in this.
Hop in it.